Voice clear? I will use the full board today because little big sketches are coming. So outside offset will be there. I think fully clear, fully okay. I want today use the full board because if I condense it, little problem, little bigger I can make. Or I'll check in the main window. Little bigger I can make, no problem. 1 minute. No, this is too much bigger. Just a minute. I'll make little bigger. No, it is too much. Wobbling going like anything. Okay, now okay I think. Now okay. I'll see the boundary. Meet. Papa. Is the writing clear? Just a minute. 1 minute here. No. Little burning is there. I will just touch once. Sometimes some tapping required. Okay. Now okay. That is because I am actually in 144. Okay. Start. That yesterday's question I don't have here. I told to find the reactions. Did you get the reactions? No. You got the reactions? Yesterday's question. You got the reactions or not? Because someone told the answer yesterday. I rubbed it out. Okay, I will just check the answer. Temporarily I have to leave this one. I have to go to other mode. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. I will write the question. If anything is wrong, tell me. See, it is fixed here and free at the other end. This is a beam. Total length is, what is the total length? Oh, see, I can't see around me here. It is not fully visible. 2.4 meter. 2 meter. Then 0.2 meter, very small, 1.8 meter and 1.6 meter. Okay, I'll just check the answer because I will enter the values here. This is 2.4 meter This is 2 meter, little out of scale. This is very small, 0.2 meter. This is 1.8 meter. This is 1.6 meter. 1.6 meter. Next, UDL here. Right from there UVL. This way. 0 to 18 kN per meter. UDL is 8 kN per meter. Then at 0.2 meter, there is a clockwise couple. I told you very clearly, if a couple is given at the interior stage, remember interior point, I told long back, you should remember, whatever way is the couple, in the final diagram, you write couple like this. Remember or not? I told you, always write the couple like this to avoid confusion. Hope you remember. 80 kilonewton meter. It is 80 kilonewton meter. Then there is a point load here of 60 kilonewton. Then UDL of, another UDL of 12 kN per meter. This is a master question. Kn per meter. And ended one couple is there. What is the couple? Anti-clockwise couple. I told you, if the couple is at the intermediate point, mark this way. I told very clearly, you should remember this way. If the couple is end couple, mark in closing bracket format. This all I told you. Mark in closing bracket format. This is 100 kilonewton meter. Check the answer. All the details are correct. 8 kN per meter for 2.4, 2 meter, 0 to 18, 80 clockwise, 60 down, 12 for 1.61. Okay. I will remove this one now. I will note down the answer given by somebody 156.4 and 912.08. I don't know. You have to verify it. Okay. I will go out. I will cancel now. Oh, free and one point load is there. Okay. 12 kN per, okay, no problem. 12 kN per meter here and a point load of how much you told? 40 kilonewton. Okay. Now, everything is okay. Tell me. 1 minute now. I will add the values. 2.4 plus 2 plus 0.2 plus 1.8 plus 1.6. Total given 8 meter. Just check the answer. Is the total given 8 meter? No. Is that 912.48? Okay. I'll check it. Is the total given 8 meter? Okay. Now, this is the B. Okay. Now, this is A. I will call this as B. This point is C. This contact point is D. No place to write there. I will write here D. This point is E. Connect it line. And this point is F. That's all. This is E point. Where couple is acting, it is E. Hope visible. Okay. Now, first, last time, did I wrote the expression for reactions or just I explain? Tell the answer. This is a master question. We'll fully complete it now. Last time, did I wrote the expression for reactions or just told you to find the reactions? What I did? Did I wrote the equation or just told it to find? So that question should be perfect now. No, I want to know. If I wrote last time, why should I waste time? Did I wrote last time the equation, equilibrium condition or just told you to get it? Answer marta illa ನೀವು. Told only. Okay. Then do one thing. Safer side. One question perfect. Because my last question, right here. Let VA be the vertical reaction. Loads are down, assume up. all these loads will create clockwise moment. This also is clockwise, but one anti-clockwise is there. But remember, that is after all 100. 40 into 8 only is how much? Much more than 100. All these load together will create a moment in clockwise much more than 100. So net moment is bound to come clockwise. So reacting moment, I will assume anti-clockwise, I will call MA. Okay, these are the reactions. I'll just check if everything visible or not. Is everything visible now? No. Is everything visible? I cannot see the sketches. Oh, I don't know. It is minus. Yes, visible. I was on the negative side. Okay. Everything visible. Okay, start. Now, just to understand, actually I should not explain. Why I am explaining? Because this is a master question. Last question of cantilever. Many more questions I will upload. And remember, I forgot one thing. Suddenly remember. Tomorrow's class, what I am doing is, I suddenly remember. I should do it here only. Advantage for you. See, a beam will be given like this. 2 downward point loads will be given. Along with the point load, 2 couples will be given here. And you will be given some upward load like this. This type of upward load will be given. You have to completely draw SFD and BMD for this one. Tell me the main purpose. I will give information to the concerned batch. In RCC, when you go to combined footing, there combined footing will have 2 downward column loads. Couple will be there, and upward pressure will not be uniform. It will be non-uniform. So it is represented by trapezium. We will assume that right side more. So for this one, you have to draw the SFD and BMD, because later when I go to design of combined footing, I will directly draw the SFD BMD. It won't take much time to me. When I start combined footing in RCC, I will explain all these things. How to fix the plan dimensions, how to fix the projections, all I explain. Then once this diagram is ready, what I will do? I will directly draw SFD randomly. Directly draw BMD. This way, that's all. And everything, not this way, randomly I draw. I directly draw SFD and BMD. So, I will tell at that time, in the BSK course or general SFD BMD course, class number, I don't know today, I don't know, tomorrow I will send a message for ETAB and SAFE batch and RCC batch that attend the class today to learn SFD BMD for combined footing. Then you will be knowing from here to here bottom bar, here you require top bar, here you require bottom bar, where bar to be stopped, and shear reinforcement from column either side up to some distance, closer stirrups, then you can increase the spacing. All that tomorrow I will cover, because in the RCC class actually SFD BMD is not my problem. So tomorrow's class I will go for SFD BMD for combined footing. That pressure in the tomorrow's class, I will give the pressure. How I give pressure, you don't bother. Later, you will be knowing how to find that pressure in the RCC class. Tomorrow's class, pressure I will give. That P by A, M by Z, all, I will calculate, no problem. Not a big issue. Calculating pressure is not a big thing. Okay, so, therefore, this is the last question of SFD BMD for BSK batch. Remember, start. Now, shear force, I write here, shear force calculation. Already yesterday I got result. If correct, you can verify now. Left up, right down, positive. I told last time, in future, I will not explain anyway. Last question. Why leave it now? Finish today. Start. Before that, reaction you have to find. Do one thing. Shear force. Wait for some time. First go for support reactions. And again remember, last warning. Support reaction we are calculating based on equilibrium. When you calculate based on equilibrium, action reaction required. Yes. And it is always direction based. Some will tell, this you are telling 1,000 times. Direction based. Moment means load into distance, or sigma v means only force. And also, when you consider equilibrium, you have to consider entire beam. Suppose you take moment about A, you have to look right side and also left side. Later, when I go to shear force and bending moment, you have to look only one side. And also, it is not direction based, it is nature based. Told many times. I told last time today. Those who are finding difficulty, make a note. Start. Sigma m about A equal to 0. Take clockwise positive. Start. Finger at A. Start from there. Anti-clockwise 100. No bending moment. Minus 100. No into. Plus 40 multiplied by 8. Plus 12 kN per meter for 1.6 meter total load into, from 2.4 plus 2, 4.2, 4.2 plus 2, 4.4, 4.4 plus 1.8, 5 point, 4.4, 4.6, 5.4, 6.4. So into 6.4 plus 1.6 by 2. Or you can do one thing. See, into, from 8, subtract 1.6 by 2. Whatever you want. Then, one more point load. 60 into 6.4 plus one couple 80 clockwise plus 80, no into. Then, plus half into 2 into 18 is the total load into 2.4 plus 2 is 4.4 plus another from here to here is 2 by 3 of 2. Then plus 8 into 2.4 into 2.4 by 2. Lastly, minus MA. Last term is what? Minus MA equal to 0. Tell correctly the value of MA. Answer. Correct answer MA. What is the answer? Correct value of MA. No mistake, nothing. MA. Correct value, full number. MA. How much? 912.48 positive plus 912.48. Again I told infinite number of time. This plus sign and this sign has no connection. This plus sign indicates that what you assumed is correct. Therefore, later when I go to SFD&BMD, I will draw one more diagram. There I will enter MA equal to 912.48. Why? Because in the same direction as assumed. Because you got positive. Over. Sigma V equal to 0. Take upward positive. This I will not explain. Get the value of VA. I will not write. You write yourself. Plus VA minus 8 into 2.4 minus half into 2 into 18. Hey, get out. Minus 60 minus 12 into 1.6 minus 40 equal to 0. Tell the value of VA. Tell VA value. Plus 156.4. Therefore, later I will enter that VA equal to 156.4. Now do one thing. Later I will not put red color. I use black color only. Why? It is not unknown now. 156.4 kilonewton. MA also I want black color now. Why? It was red in the beginning, unknown. Now it is known, MA. Okay, over. This will complete support reaction calculation. Now, is the board fully visible? Fast. Board is fully visible. Any problem? Any problem? Board is fully visible. Whatever I wrote. Without any problem. Full visible. No, is the board fully visible? Without any problem. Voice is okay, I think. Yes, okay. Now, go to shear force calculation. Actually, remember, in the BSK class, this is the last time I am going for shear force calculation. Start. A. Shear force at A comes slightly inside. Look this side. Plus 156.4 kilonewton. Okay, then A clear. Okay, why you want to write kilonewton? In the bracket, I will write kilonewton. Over. Now unit is not required. Over. Now after A, come to C. Shear force at C. Previous value plus 156.4 minus after A to C downward load is there. How much? 8 into 2.4. Fast give the answer. 8 into 2.4. Answer. This is the last time. Answer. Plus 137.2. Plus 137.2 kilonewton. Okay. After C, come to D. Shear force at D equal to previous value plus 137.2. That was at the point C. After C to D, down how much? Minus half into 2 into 18. Means 18 lesser equal to plus how much? Plus 119.2. Thank you. 119.2 kilonewton. Okay. After D, you make a note. E point is not required for shear force calculation. Anybody can tell the reason? Because after D till F, there is no loading. Couple is not considered while during shear force calculation. See, even if you calculate, same answer. So after D till F, there is no loading. So shear force, no effect. You can skip E. Then after E, come to F. At F, there is a point load. So shear force twice. Tell the answer. Shear force at F just to left of F equal to previous value 119.2. That's all. Whatever is the previous value, that itself is the answer, because between these 2 points, no change of loading. Okay, then, and shear force at F just to right of F equal to plus 119.2 minus 60. Answer, how much? Plus 59.2. Plus 59.2 kilonewton meter. Lastly, come to B. At B, even if point load is there, only one calculation comes slightly inside. Previous value is plus 59.2 minus 12 into 1.6. How much is the reduction? Answer has to come plus 40. Coming or not coming? Answer has to come plus 40. Coming. Because why? Because when you come slightly inside, if you look right side, there's a downward 40. You know right down is positive. Tally. Over. Now, write the variation. As usual, variation. Can't I? Write the variation. I am not writing. I am dictating here. You should write. A to C, UDL, linear. C to D, uniformly varying load, parabola of second degree. D to F, E is not required. A, E, you go out, don't come now. D to F, constant. F to B, linear. Clear now? Clear or not? That is the variation. Statement of variation clear? What I told, go through class again and again and write. Clear variation? Fast. Okay, now draw the shear force diagram. I should draw in the available space. Space problem is there. Now do one thing, you write here. None of this calculation required. You can draw SFD directly by taking calculator. See what I am doing. Directly using calculator. Don't see there. From here, these all I explained so many times. A 156.4, go little upper side, space problem. VA equal to ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜರುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. ಗೋ ಅಪ್ ಬೈ 156.4 ಓವರ್. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಟು ಸಿ ಕಮ್ ಡೌನ್ ಬೈ 8 into 2.4. ಸೊ 156.4 minus 8 into 2 ತಾಳೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಯು ಚೆಕ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 2.4 ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು 137.2. 137.2 ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಸರ್. 137.2 joined by what? Joined by straight line. The slope of the shear force diagram will be equal to 8. Why? Slope of shear force diagram is intensity of load over. Now after C to D come down by, so minus half into 2 into 18, it is 119.2. Slightly lesser, 119.2. Okay, now here this side, see this side intensity 8, slope is 8. This side intensity is 0. Here intensity maximum. As you go this way, slope should keep on increasing. That is possible only if the curve is like this. If you draw this way, curve gone. Why? As you go that way, slope will decrease. So only chance is, and one more thing, here slope is 0. So this way will come. ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ನೀಟಾಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರೀಸನಬಲಿ ಓಕೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ if I draw tangent, 0 slope. Here slope is 18. Now from D to F there is no load. Come parallel to baseline. E point is not required. At F, come down by 60. You are still left with how much? 59.2 here. Then from here to here, gradually come down by 12 into 1.6. That is exactly, when you reach here, it will be 40. And slope of this line will be 12. Lastly, come down by 12. These two couples, don't bother. This is the shearing force diagram. I know space here. Okay, I'll remove everything. 40. This is shearing force diagram. All values are kilonewton. Left up, right down, positive. Explained, I do not know how many times I explained, even I don't remember. Just those who are present tell me, clear or not? I just want clear or not. Clear means sufficient. Okay, now some more statement you have to write here. Observe shear force diagram. Okay, observe. Actually ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತದು, ಮೇಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಳಿಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇರಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಸ್ಲೋಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಓಕೆ. ಥಿನ್ ಪೆನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು second degree parabola. Okay, now any points are there where SFD crosses baseline? No. Therefore, that's all. SFD goodbye. Now go to BMD. When you draw BMD, this time, see, I will put the baseline somewhere here. There is a reason. There is a reason why I put the baseline here. I am leaving some space here. This is bending moment diagram All values are kilonewton meter, sagging positive. Okay. Now, last time in our class, combined footing is separate. Why? There we are not doing this way. We are going to set up the equation there. And later, same combined footing I will upload in ETABS and save. It will 100% give the same diagram which I have drawn in my class. Not 1 micromillimeter difference. I will make this in the same model. I will create the same model and assign the load. I will tell draw BMD SFD. It will draw. Then I will tell in the class later. Now open that old problem and compare what we got in the class manually and what we got in the ETAB and save. Compare. Everybody has to tell, not a single mistake is there. If at all mistake is there, then mistake will be not my side, it will be software side. I always tell that way. Then mistake means software is wrong. I will not be wrong. First of all, software also cannot be wrong. Someone argued with me, sir, how you can tell software is wrong? See, after all, we are human. That is computer. So we can be wrong. It cannot be wrong. I told him, software also is developed by human beings only. So if something wrong, he is wrong, I am correct. Then they told, okay sir, do it. Because if he gives a wrong program, it is his mistake. Otherwise, if correctly programmed, software will never give wrong answer. Okay, start. Now, bending moment calculation. Someone will tell, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಇರಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Just to get confidence. Start. Sagging positive. All values are kilonewton meter to save time. ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯಾರು ಬರೀತಾರೆ KN meter ಅಂತ. Start from A. Bending moment at A equal to, look this side, minus 912.48 kilonewton meter. That's all. Do not look right side. Looking left side is better. That's all. Actually, if you look right side, whatever this moment is there, that moment only is this moment. It has to tally over. So here answer is down, 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 down. I should see the error space there. Yes, no problem. Space is there. I will sit and write 912.48. 912.48 here. Minus sign. I write later. Over. Then come to C. Come to C. At C, bending moment equal to bending moment at C. This is point A at C. Okay, look this side. Minus 9, see, if you look this side, it is minus 912.48, no into plus 156.4 into 2.4 minus 8 into 2.4 into 2.4 by 2. Answer fast. Answer. Give correct answer. Do not make any mistake. Minus 560.16. Minus 560.16. Somebody already solved there and sent me the answer. You can compare now. Anything is wrong. You compare with your, see today I got the, very good, I am very happy. Neatly in the group you can see SFD&BMD. Very neatly. Okay. Couple at free end. ಅದು ಹಳೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್. ಕಪ್ಪಲ್ ಎಟ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಎಂಡ್ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಪ್ಪಲ್ ಎಟ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಎಂಡ್ ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಔಟ್. I think it's a old comment. Okay. Now, looking left side better. Now do one thing. Or just to understand, see here. If you look right side, why I am telling? Because last chance for you. In future, this way I will not explain. look right side, just curiosity. Or if you look right side, bending moment, see, plus 100, no into, minus 40 multiplied by 5.6 minus UDL 12 into 1.6 is the load multiplied by what? 2 plus 2.2, 2.2, 2.2 plus 1.8 is 4, correct? 4 plus another 1.6 by 2. Next, minus 60 into, how much I told? 4, okay, 4, correct, 4. Then, see here, going this way, explained so much earlier, today I will not tell. Looking from this side, that couple, it is hogging. Don't tell clockwise, anti-clockwise. If any difficulty is there, refer my old class. I made it crystal clear earlier. Minus 80. Why minus? I told crude method also for you. Lastly, minus half into 2 into 18 is the total load into directly here 2/3 of 2. Calculate and tell me the answer. If the answer is not same, right now I'll stop the class. Right now stop my YouTube channel. Right now stop all my structural activities. Right now I'll stop my class, stop YouTube activity, stop teaching in the college and also all my classes, or stop activity from structural engineering. Same answer. Very kind of you. Thank you. Minus 560.16. Oh, same answer. Salt. Salt means not uppu or namak. In my class, salt means same as last time. Okay, over. Thank you. So come here. 560.6. Illi. 560 means 912. Adra ardha half is 450. Little more. See, this is called respect to mathematics. Not randomly write later. This is 500 and this is 900. What nonsense is that? Over. 560.16. Joining we'll do later. Okay, now C over. Come to D. I am rubbing everything now. See, this much I am explaining because today is the last day when I explain this way split calculation. Those who are serious, attended all my classes and understood, they will be real masters by this time. With regarding variation, everything. People, lazy people, I told I never bother about them. Start. Next point is D. Start. Bending moment at D. Okay. I think looking right side is better. Right side is better. Look right side. Plus 100. No into. Minus 12 into 1.6 is the total load multiplied by 0.2 plus 1.8 is 2. Multiplied by 2 plus 1.6 by 2. Also minus 60 into 2. Innu agilla. 60 into 2. Then see, this way going from this side minus 80. Same minus 80. When I go that side, look, this side will become plus 80. Somebody will comment that you wrote last time minus 80. Same 80, you wrote plus 80. Why? I will tell, leave the class. No, I cannot repair you. Why? You are not regular. What all I told earlier, you are not followed. Those who know correctly, I told even crude method also. Looking here or looking there. One class I spent only for couple. Answer fast. Sometime in this field, teaching line, you have to be harsh. Answer, agata ivatte, minus 297.76. Nodi, 76. Who already solved earlier? Can you confirm? Answer correct. Who already solved earlier and sent me the answer in the group? Can you confirm it? Same answer. Because now is the time to final check. Already somebody solved there and sent the photo there. Can you confirm? Same answer. Or I have to go to WhatsApp and see it. 1 minute. Okay, I'll see that in the WhatsApp. Yes, 297.76. Perfectly correct. Thank you. Perfectly correct. I saw it. Or I'll do one thing now. So safer side, 297.76. Then 1 minute. 273.92. This barkotini. 273.92. 193.92. You don't see this one now. My personal number. 20.64. ಹೌದು 20.64 100 ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು 100 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಟ್ ಇಟದು 1.773 meter from the end, 1.23 meter from there. Okay, 1.773 meter ಅಲ್ಲ 0.13 meter ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೌದು 113 meter from here. He got 1.73 from here. Do not see this number. This is the answer I noted down by somebody's solution. Okay, now I will switch off. I will come to Zoom only. Not to habit. I went to Zoom. It is not Zoom. It is YouTube. Okay, thank you. 1.773 means 1.773. 0.173. No, I am getting from here, not from there. You told 1.73 from there. I will mark it from here. That's why both are same. 1.773 from B means from F it is 0.173. Both are same. Okay, leave it. Okay, now see at D bending or suppose you look left side. Last chance for you. Bending moment at D, if you look left side. Answer, start. This R is called Adhika Prasanga in Kannada. In English it is called unnecessary waste of time. Remember, unnecessary waste of time for those who know everything. Those who are learning, it is not unnecessary waste. It is a double advantage for them. For them it is learning more and more. Only after you reach a stage when you know everything perfect, the day when you announce in front of me, sir, now whatever you tell, I will also tell. Okay, thank you. Then okay, then not required. Start. Look this side. Minus 912.48 plus 156.4 into ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಯಿತು 2 4.4 minus 8 into 2.4 is the load into 2 plus 2.4 by 2 plus 2.4 by 2 minus half into 2 into 18 is the total load into, now you want bending moment here. Little earlier here, at that time 2/3. Now you want a D. Total load will pass here. This is 1/3, not 2/3. 1/3 of 2. 1/3 of 2. Answer has to come. Same answer. Tell me, coming or not coming? Same answer has to come here. Coming means leave it. Tell me answer. Same coming. Is the same answer coming without 1 decimal error. Same. Thank you. Over. That will complete D. Now be careful. Now concept will start. This is a last chance for you to know the concept. See, and time is there. I will spend the time. So that last chance for you. Come to D, come to E. When you come to E, write a note. See, E is not required for shear force. But for bending moment, it is required. Also note, at the point E, there is a couple, and also couple at E. E is an interior point. Therefore, bending moment at E should be twice calculation. Twice. Twice means just to left and also just to right. In the bracket, we can find any one first, then the other. We can find any one first and then find the other. These all thoroughly told for you earlier. So now I will go for option 1. Now also write which JTL and JTR, which one first, which one left next, depends on which side you are looking. Tell me. At the point E, for BM calculation, it is better to look right side or left side. Decide first. That looking right side, left side has nothing to do with JTL, JTR. I heard someone telling in the online class, when J just to left, you should look left side. When it is just to right, you should look right side. It is a bogus statement. Who told? When it is just to left, you are telling you should look compulsorily left side. When you find BM just to right side, he told you should look always right side. I will tell him. When I want just to left, I will look right side. When I want just to right, I will look left side. Or when I want anywhere, I will look any side. Who are you to control me? When you want to bending moment somewhere, you can look any side. Just to left means what? Bending moment slightly this side. JTR means bending moment slightly this side. So which side you are looking is your choice. Now make a note. After all the statement, make a note. What is the note? Twice calculation. Twice calculation. Suppose, imagine, suppose at E we decided to look left side. This left has nothing to do with that is, or we will look this way. We will find BM like this. Okay. If you find BM like this, when you come from that side, you are first getting JTL or JTR. Then tell me, first what? If you are looking left side, see, if you are looking left side, when you come from that side, are you getting JTL first or JTR first? First. Are you getting JTL first or JTR first? Some problem? All the, I don't know, live chat, everything vanished. Why? All live chat vanished. What is the reason? No. Class is going on. I was shocked. No. Class is going on. No problem. That all the chat vanished. I don't know why. It came. Oh, okay. I will do one thing now. I will switch off and come back once again in YouTube. Save per side. One minute. Yo. I don't know what is coming there. You deleted some Sridhar Murthy was timed out by KS engineering for 300 seconds. ಏನಿದು? What is happening? Yeah, tell me, can you hear properly? Comments, no problem. Not able to chat in YouTube. Why? But now, just now you chat. Now, now, are you able to chat now? Now, are you able to chat? I don't know what happened. This happens in every app. Now, are you able to communicate? No. Are you able to communicate now? Otherwise, the chat is not required. Let it go. Live chat, I don't want to remain there. I may remove later. Later, yes, later, after some time, for all these live classes, that chat I am removing. Why? I do not want people who see later to go through what all we are discussing. Why should they want it? If they want that chat, they should have come live. If they are not live, let them listen to the class. Some people have got a habit of going to chat section and enjoying. Is any what you call is unhealthy chat is there, or somebody complained, somebody used some odd bad words like that. People are there, they enjoy by that way. So I am going to delete all the chats after around 15 days. When my course over, I will delete all the chats. It is become a pakka class then. Okay. Now, only 1% told yes. What about others? Nandakumar was timed out by KSN for 300 seconds. Who timed out? It is coming timed out, timed out, timed out like that. I never did anything. I don't know. Did I touch something? No. No, others are not responding. Are others able to write messages? At it one more. And also tell me, is the voice all clear? No. 1% told yes. What about others? Are you able to type message now? Are you able to type message? And also, are you hearing properly? If you are hearing properly, okay. If you are hearing properly, no problem. I don't have to worry about messages. Why? No. Only Preetham ji is commenting. Others, Nandakumar has not responded. Are you able to hear clearly? Nandakumar and other persons, are you able to hear clearly? Chatting, if not done, no problem. Nothing to worry. One person is there. No, still there is no answer. Actually, I have done nothing. Where? See. I never deleted any message. Answer is not coming. See, still no response. Others, are you able to hear or not? I just 1 minute. ಏನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳು. Okay. If you are not in a position, I don't know what happened. Maybe I touched something where it is possible that it is stopping the message. I never do it. Possibility is there. Maybe, see, my hand touched something where it is there. Stop message from him. That usually people do when somebody involves in odd language message or creating trouble. Sometimes people create trouble. You don't know. They pass on very unhealthy messages. I have seen that one. People who are not fit to live in civilized society. I will tell that way. People are there. They don't know value of education. But okay, no problem. Now, Can you hear or not? Important. Okay, if you cannot send message, no problem. Can you hear or not? You can hear means, okay, then I will continue. Nanda Kumar is not commenting. Can you hear or not? Because he is another regular person. I can hear. But I can see your message. You typed I can hear. I can see it now. Now it is happening. Okay, okay. Okay, thank you. That's all. Don't worry now. Now, don't worry now. Okay, I won't ask questions now. Those who can type the answer. Okay, now. I told you, suppose you look left side. Then, if you look this way, then first JTL and then JTR. Correct? I told earlier. See, if you are looking this way, then first you come from here, stop before the point, find bending moment, come one step backwards, both the time look left side only. See answer. This already I told earlier. Bending moment at E, see, just to left of E equal to, you are slightly here. See, you are here. When you are here, when you look this side, that couple you cannot see. Therefore, answer minus 912.48 plus 156.4 into 2.4 plus 2 is 4.4. 4.4 plus 0.2 is 4.6. Correct? 4.6. Then minus 8 into how much? 2.4 is the load into 0.2 plus 2 is 2.2. 2.2 plus another 2 by 2, another 2.4 by 2 minus half into 2 into 18. Half into 2 into 18 is the total load into about this point 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 1 by 3 of what? 2. Why 1 by 3 of 2? Resultant load pass here. That's all. Answer. If you know the answer, tell me. If you know the answer, you can tell. Minus 273.92. Minus 273.92. Then write. And bending moment at E just to right of E. When you do just to right of E, you come from just to left, come just to right. Still look that side. Then you don't have to find all that value because same value will come. See, when you come to just to right, all the previous will come. Along with that one, 80 will come. See, 80 this way. See here. This way 80 is plus 80. Not because of clockwise. From when you come this side, the couple comes this way. Yes, plus. I told it so many times earlier. Now I will not explain. There is a limit for explaining. Earlier one class, I explained every concept. Plus 80. Answer. How much? Minus 193.92. Correct answer? Minus 193.92. Thank you. Over. Therefore, see, at the point D, what is the BM at D you got? Oh, I rubbed it out. Anybody can tell me what is the BM at D we got? You forgot. At the D point, was it? At the point D, how much BM you got? I rubbed it out. Anybody can tell? Minus 193.9. At the point D, 297.76. Okay, see. 297.76 means 560 half is 250 280 ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಲಿಟ್ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 270 297.76 okay 297.76 is around 300 ನೋಡಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಾಕು ಆಯ್ತು ನಾವು at the couple point see at the couple point where E 1 BM is 193.92 ನೋಡಿ that is little more 193.92 other value is how much other value is 273.92 ನೋಡಿ other is 273.92 and 193 see now ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಲಿ okay this is 273.92 is the BM just to left of E and 193.792 is the BM just to right of E. So this should go here, this should go here. Later, see, later this should come this side, just to right should go that side. Hope it is fully clear. Or do one thing now. This is at the point E, if you decided to look left side. Now, once again write. See, answer is there. See, now, write a note. Or, suppose, ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ someone decided to look right side at the point E. ಯಾರೋ ಕೆಲವರು ಅಂತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಬೇಡ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನೋ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಾನು ರೈಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸಂತೋಷ ನೀವು ರೈಟ್ ನೋಡೋಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಆಸ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ BM JTR ಆರ್ JTL ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ರೈಟಿಂದ ಬರೋಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ BM JTR ಆರ್ JTL ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ BM JTR ಆರ್ JTL JTR or I will tell a simple example. If from Bangalore, you start from Bangalore, go to some city, for example, Bangalore to ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಊರು okay Mangalore ನಮ್ಮೂರು ಬನ್ನಿ Mangalore. In between Hassan comes Hassan. Those who are coming from Bangalore side, first they will reach just to left of Hassan. Later they will go to just to right of Hassan. Or first they will reach what? This end of Hassan. Then they will leave Hassan at that end. Or those who come from Mangalore to Bangalore, first they will reach this end of Hassan. Then they will come here. So those who come from, if you are looking this side, if you are looking this side, if you come from this side, first this end of Hassan, then other end of Hassan. See, first here, then here. If you come from Mangalore to Hassan, first here, then here. Common sense. So, if you are doing from right side calculation, you first find BM, just to right of E, look that side. When you go to just to right of E and look that side, again couple you cannot see. Why? Couple is here. See, now, then JTR, first JTR and then JTL. Start. Or bending moment at E in the bracket just to right of E equal to, see, somewhere here, look this side, plus 100 minus 40 into 18 28 or 34 3.4 minus 12 into 1.6 into 1.6 by 2 12 into 1.6 into 1.8 plus 1.6 by 2 and also minus 60 into 1.8. Anybody can tell the answer? Whether you come from left to right or right to left, whether you find JTL first then JTR or JTR first or JTL, just to left of the point unique BM, just to right unique BM, you have to get now 193.92 first. You are going to get this value first, 193.92. Tell yes or no. You are getting now 193.92 first, means just to right, then and bending moment at E just to left of E equal to same answer copy plus 193.92. You come one step back. When you come here, see it is minus 80. Be careful. When you come here, it is minus 80. 193 ಬಂತ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಏನೋ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. ನನಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಬ್ಬಾ ಮೈನಸ್ 193.92 ನೋಡಿ. ನೀವು ಬರೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ನಂಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರದೆ ನೋಡಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಅದು ಮೈನಸ್, ಅದು ನೀವು ಮೈನಸ್ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಎ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್. ವೈ ನಾಟ್ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದೆನ್. ನೋಡಿ ಮೈನಸ್, ದೆನ್ ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ minus 80. That time after coming from there to here it was plus 80. Now when you come from there to here it was minus 80. Answer minus 273.92. Therefore whichever way you calculate, just to left of E BM is 273, just to right of E BM is 193. Fully clear? First. Those who are sincere and hardworking and attending all the classes and listening to everything I am telling, tell me full clear or not? Conditional. Those who are dedicated, hardworking, everything I tell, they should believe me. Those who believe me, you should have, first of all remember, you should have confidence when you learn. Those people who believe, yes, this person knows the concept, we are going to learn. If it is clear, thank you, over. Others I told, I don't bother. Okay, I put it. Now important portion is over. Now closing part, not much, very little. I come to F. At F, better look right side. Hey, answer. Bending moment at F equal to, ayo children, plus 100 minus 40 into 1.6 minus 12 into 1.6 into 1.6 by 2. Anybody can tell the answer? Is it ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅನಾಗ? ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 100 ಮೈನಸ್ 40 ಇಂಟು 1.6 ಮೈನಸ್ 12 ಇಂಟು 1.6 ಇಂಟು 1.6 by 2. ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಎಷ್ಟು? ಪ್ಲಸ್ 20.64 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 20.64 ಆಯ್ತು. ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ನೌ ಆರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲುಕ್ ದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು, ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್. ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ರೈಟ್ minus 912.48 plus 156.4 into 5.4 ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ 6.4 minus 8 into 2.4 into 1.8 plus 0.2 plus 2 plus half of 2.4 minus half into 2 into 18 into 2 plus 1 by 3 of 2, then plus 80. 100% answer is 20.64. My guarantee. Over. Lastly, bending moment at B. Come slightly inside. Look this side. If the couple is not there, bending moment equal to 0. Because of the couple, there is a bending moment of plus 100. Why? Sagging 100. Right. Now plot. Here see 193 point something. You at the point here couple ಆಯಿತು. ಓ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತು. ಯಾಕೋ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್? ಇ ಆಯಿತು, Salpa, can you manage? Shall I correct once again? Salpa scale gone. I don't know why. See. Okay, no problem. See, at F we got plus 20.64. Here you got plus 100. 100 is very small. Nodi, iste. Here you got plus 100. Nodi, plus 100. Here you got very small value to plus 20.64. Saku. 20.64. Now, last step, join. A to C, parabola of second degree, shear force is decreasing, slope should decrease. Only chance is curve like this. Only chance is curve like this. Now, C to D, parabola of third degree, again shear force decreases. So, and at C, left side or right side, same shear force. So, this is wrong. See, you should come this way, and same line you have to continue, but this is second degree parabola, this is third degree parabola, and okay. Now, if I draw a tangent here, it should be same for both. So this is second degree parabola, third degree parabola. So and at this point, either side shear force same, common tangent. Then D to E joined by a D to join just to left of E by a straight line. Then just to right of E joined to F by a straight line. Then F to B joined by a parabola. How parabola? Parabola, remember, ಇದು 20.64 ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದು F ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 20.64 ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ how is the parabola? Shear force is decreasing. Shear force decreasing means slope should decrease. And when you reach here slope is 59, here slope is 40. Curve should be like this. Why? Because curve should be like this. Here more slope, there less slope. Therefore, this way. Here slope is how much? 59.2. Here slope is lesser, 100. Little slope is there. It is not this way flat. Suppose this point load is not there, shear force is 0, then it will come like this. Now, little slope is there. Now, lastly, you can see first time in a cantilever a point where bending moment diagram crosses baseline. I will call the point as O, that is called point of counterflexure, because it is linear here. I will take X from here. Okay. Lastly, to locate O, point of counterflexure, right? Bending, I think 1 minute. You should do it and get the X value. Nanu very kelsa ilva. What? You think I have no other work to do? X will come. Just bending mentally. Bending 20 point. Calculate is not on. See, calculate is not on. 0.173 meter. X will come 0.173 meter. Come back and enter. Equal to 0.173 meter. So now from here to here, beam will hog. From here to small portion, because of this couple, beam will sag or hog, and then small portion sag. See, somewhere here 0. Now see, to locate X, last question I will tell. Option number 1, linear variation. You can use similar triangles, or again linear variation, mathematical trick class number 1, or basic principle, equal to plus 100 minus 40 into 1.6 plus x minus 12 into 1.6 into x plus 1.6 by 2 minus 60 into x. Equate the bending moment to 0. You are going to get a linear equation. X has to come 0.173 meter. Yes, someone, he told x equal to 1 point, how much? 1.17 here. Or suppose they ask you where is counterflexion, from the right end it is 1.6, 1.773 meter. From where? From B. But from F point this side by 0.173 meter. Now, critical question on cantilever is thoroughly explained. Fully clear now? So tomorrow's class I am going for SFD&BMD for a beam subjected to 2 downward loads with the couples and also upward uniformly varying load. Remember, the purpose of that is for combined footing. In the RCC class and ETAP class, when I take combined footing, diagram I am not explaining. I will tell. So thoroughly explained in class number. Why class number? I will send a message there. Remember, you are in ETAP batch or you are in RCC batch. If you want to learn combined footing, you should attend today's class and understand. If they still become lazy, don't study. Why should I bother? Okay. Sorry for those, some trouble. I think most probably my hand touched somewhere. That's why it temporarily deleted the messages. But anyway, now who wants message? Now who wants message? Okay, see, even Nanda Kumar is able to send message now. Okay, thank you. So we will meet tomorrow. Thoroughly practice this question. This is a master question for cantilever. And in the SFD&BMD chapter, I am continuing to upload more and more classes in YouTube, not BSK class. My old SFD&BMD up to class number 100, you know it. It will be continued there. These are all extra. What I am doing for BSK, I thought let it go to SFD&BMD also. Okay. Thank you. We will see tomorrow.